ED builds own law school. The 11th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa's newly established Emerson Dam Buds. Mnangagwa Law School in Kwekwe will be officially commissioned today, coinciding with the Midlands State University, MSU, graduation ceremony in the Midlands mining town. The naming of the law school after the president has already ignited heated debate, with critics accusing Mnangagwa of using the institution to legitimize his long-contested legal credentials. Mnangagwa has for decades faced questions over his legal qualifications. He has often claimed that he studied law while detained during the liberation struggle and later pursued training in Zambia. At one point, he even boasted that he was the only one to pass a law exam. He sat alongside the late Robert Mugabe, a claim frequently dismissed by legal experts and political opponents as exaggerated. Although Mnangagwa briefly practiced as a lawyer in Zambia in the 1970s before independence, doubts have lingered about the exact nature of his qualifications, the institutions he attended, and whether they would withstand rigorous scrutiny under modern academic and professional standards. Opposition leaders and civil society groups have repeatedly challenged him to provide documentary proof, but Mnangagwa has largely brushed aside the criticism, leaning instead on his Liberation War record and long political career. Analysts say the establishment of a law school bearing his name in Kwekwe, his political and business stronghold, is both symbolic and strategic. Supporters describe it as a tribute to his contribution to Zimbabwe's legal and political landscape. Critics, however, see it as an attempt to etch his name into the academic record, while deflecting doubts about his own legal legacy. Under the auspices of MSU, the law school is expected to train graduates in key areas such as constitutionalism, human rights, and governance, with officials promising it will serve as a center of excellence accessible to students nationwide. Still, the shadow of controversy ensures that today's commissioning will be remembered not only as an academic milestone, but also as another flashpoint in the ongoing debate over Mnangagwa's legal credentials.